Hello everyone, this is Sudipta from Technical Potpourri and welcome to my new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can authenticate your Google Workspace in N8N. By doing the authentication, you can take the full advantage of Google Workspace and do multiple automation, create multiple automation in N8N. So there is a slightly process change happened recently in terms of authenticating a Google Workspace. So in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step approach with the new process to authenticate your Google Workspace in N8N. So without any further delay, let's jump to N8N Workspace and authenticate our Google Workspace. So as you can see here, I am in my N8N org. So the first thing I'll do, I will go to the workflow and start creating my own workflow. So I'll click create workflow. And here I need to bring the Google element for which I need to create the authentication. For that, I'll click on add first steps. And here for the example, I'll bring Google Drive and on changes to a specific file. So I'll click on that. And this is a place where I need to create the authentication. So first from here, I need to select credential and I need to click on create new credential. So from here, I need to open the Google Cloud Console and configure the authentication part. So I'll go to a new tab and open the console. To open the console, the URL is console.cloud.google.com, and once you open that, you might need to select your Google credential. Since I've already logged into my account, it's automatically came here. So once I'm here, what I need to do first, I need to select a project. Since I have already few projects, but for this demo, I'm going to create a new project. For that, I need to click on new project here. And let's give it a name as my N8N project and click on create. It will take a couple of minutes for the project to configure. Okay, so my new project is created. So click on select new project from here, or you can also click on this drop down and select this new project, my N8N project. Once you are in this project, you need to click on this navigation menu and go to the API and services section. From here, you need to go to the OAuth consent screen and you need to click on get started. First, you need to give a name. So I'm giving a name as N8N. I'm putting my email address. Oops, something happened. Let's go there again. Auth screen. Get started. Give name as N8N. In here, select the email address. Click on next. Here I'll select the external. Click on next. Email address again. I'll give my email address here. Click on next, finish, agree, and continue, and click on create. So OAuth is done. Once this is done, all we need to do is we need to go to the client and create the client, for which I need to click on create client. From the application type, select web application, give the name as, where is the client? Here is the client, click create, web application, here give it a name as N8N client. Here in the authorized redirect URL, click on this one and go back to the automation window and click this URL and paste the URL here. So basically from the N8N, here you'll find the OAuth redirect URL, copy that and put it here and then click on create. And it will give you the client ID and the client secret. So definitely your client ID and client secret will be different than mine. And definitely this is a very secure information. Do not share this information with anyone. So copy the client ID from here and put it here. Copy the client secret from here and put it here. And once this is done, click on save. And immediately you do that, you'll find an option called sign in with Google. Click on that, it will open up a new pop-up window and click on your username. And it will show that access is blocked. So if you are getting this prompt, then all you need to do is you need to close this window, go back here and under the branding, under the audience, the app is currently in the testing mode. So click on publish app and click on confirm. Once this is done, go back to N8N again and click on sign in with Google. Same process, select your username. This time it will show that Google hasn't verified that app. You can definitely ignore and click on Advanced and click on Go to N8N Cloud. And then it will ask you, these are the access that N8N wants from your Google Workspace. So you click on Select All, definitely verify what are the permission that you are giving to N8N, and finally click on Continue. Once this is done, it will show that your account is connected successfully. And this is the way how you can connect your Google Workspace along with N8N. I hope this short video is helpful because this is a new process that is being recently introduced in N8N, and I'm seeing a lot of people are facing problem with this approach, so I thought of creating this small video. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please share this with your colleagues, with your friends, so that they also know how to handle this new process change. And finally, if you like this content, please hit the like icon, please subscribe to my channel, so that in future when I'll upload any videos regarding N8N, regarding any automation, LLM, AI, you'll be the first person to get notified. Till then, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.